Welcome to It's
It's
Not
not you,
You, It's
it's
the
the
Resume. Our very first podcast series here at Q2HR Solutions. And a special Valentine's Day edition. So I'm Eds and I work closely with our recruitment team. So we decided to create this podcast because we know how tough job hunting can be these days. Minsan kahit todo effort ka na, kahit alam mong qualified ka, kahit may mga pagkakataon talaga na hindi talaga nag-workout. And that's when people start asking themselves, may mali ba sa akin? And honestly, a lot of times, it's not you. It's the resume. So this series is very close to our hearts because this year, Q2 HR Solutions is celebrating 25 years of uplifting lives. So, as part of our year long celebration, this podcast is event number 9 of our 25 moments in uplifting lives. So, this is created with so much care to give back, to guide, and to remind you that your career journey matters. And you are never alone in it. So, for more than 25 years, our mission has been to support careers and connect people to opportunities and help both individuals and businesses grow. So, in this podcast is our way of doing that by sharing honest conversations, practical tips, and real insights from people behind the hiring process. So, here we go. Joining me today is Christelle,
Hi!
one of our recruiters here at Q2 HR Solutions. She is on the front lines of hiring. She is reviewing resumes every single day.
Yes.
So she'll give us a real, behind the scenes look at how resumes are read and what truly makes one stand out. Hi,
Hi,
Crystal! So let's
Eds.
start with something very real.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of candidates today, they feel discouraged. Ang dami kasing applications na sinesend nila, pero
Mm-hmm.
konti lang yung replies na nakukuha nila. So from your perspective, why do resumes matter so much in this process?
Yeah, resumes matter because they're usually leaving the first impression.
Mm-mm.
So before conversations, before interviews, your resume is already speaking for you. So sometimes even strong candidates don't get noticed kasi
Mm.
natatabunan ng fonts,
Yeah.
natatabunan ng colors and all.
Mm-mm.
Not because they lack the skills or so no. Resumes don't clearly communicate their
Mm.
value if ever natatabunan siya.
So it's not about being perfect pala.
Mm-hmm.
So it's about being clear, right?
Yes, exactly. Clarity is everything. Recruiters can resumes quickly kasi.
Mm.
So if your strengths, achievements, and relevance aren't obvious enough, or aren't obvious right away,
Yeah.
they can be missed. Or even if you're a good fit.
Yeah. That's actually why we named this series. It's not you, it's the resume. Because a lot
Yes.
of people take rejection very personally.
Yes.
Even me.
Oo.
Diba?
Even me,
Hmm.
actually.
Oo.
And that's understandable.
Yeah.
But rejection doesn't always mean you're not good enough, di ba?
Mm.
Many times it simply means that your resume didn't fully reflect kung ano yung gusto mong sabihin or kung ano yung kaya mo pang pwedeng gawin.
Yeah. So, which it can be comforting. Kasi it means that it is something that we can improve, diba?
Exactly. A resume is not your worth. It's just a tool. And tools can always be refined.
Yeah. So, let's make this practical,
Mm-hmm.
Crystal. If someone is listening right now and they are feeling stuck, what are some things that they can immediately check on their resumes?
Well, first, ask mo muna yung sarili mo if this wasn't my resume. Does this show what I can do?
Mm.
Or nakikita ba yung value ko in this piece of paper?
Mm-mm.
Second, focus on your achievements, not just the job descriptions actually.
Mm-mm.
Third, keep it clean and easy to read. Simple formatting goes a long way talaga.
Yeah. And maybe less of I did this, I did that, I did this, I did that.
Yes.
And maybe we can change it to this is what changed because I am here in this company. This is what I contribute, the numbers
Mhm.
is statistics because I think recruiters they you
Yeah, we
look at
focus on that.
numbers,
Yeah,
diba?
exactly. You don't forget soft skills then.
Yeah.
From a psychometric perspective, attitude, adaptability, and communication matters a lot. your resume should hint at those two.
So since this is a Valentine's Day edition,
Mm-hmm.
let's talk about career self-love for a bit.
Mm-hmm. Yes, career self love is about being kind to yourself, not just
Mm-mm.
for others. About being kind to yourself, so wanting to grow pa rin,
Yeah.
kahit sa company. Hindi mo kailangan i-down yung sarili mo just because things aren't working out yet.
Yeah.
Updating your resume, improving your skills, it's an act of self-care.
Mm-mm.
It's you saying, I deserve to be seen and I deserve to grow.
Mm-mm.
And this actually ties to one of our company values here at Q2HR Solutions. Embody malasakit. We believe that caring for yourself and your career is just as important for caring
Mm-mm.
for caring para sa iba.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. When you nurture yourself, you show up better in work, in your applications, and actually in life.
Oh, I love that. Giving your resume attention is really giving yourself an attention.
Yes.
And it reflects malasakit, one of
Yes.
our core values
Mm.
nga, both to yourself and to your career journey.
Yeah.
As we wrap up episode number 1, we just want to remind you, if you've been feeling discouraged, you are not alone. And sometimes it's not about changing who you are. It's about changing how your story is told.
Mm-hmm. Your resume is your voice when you're not in the room. So
Yeah.
it speaks louder talaga.
Mm-mm.
Make sure it speaks for you the way you deserve it.
Yeah. So thank you for joining us in this very special episode and for being part of our event number 9 of our 25 moments in uplifting lives. So this series was created with so much heart, and we hope it helps you move forward with more clarity and confidence. Happy Valentine's Day from all of us at Q2HR Solutions.